This demonstration video will walk through an end-user experience with OnBase Unity Forms by Hyland. Specifically, the scenario here will show an employee filling out an injury report form that is then reviewed and updated by a supervisor. We begin by logging into the Unity client. After OnBase loads, we are shown the home page for the user. From the home page, we have three options, with the one on the far left being the accident, illness, and injury reporting form. As noted earlier, we are walking through an on-the-job injury scenario, so I'll select the Accident, Illness, and Injury Reporting Form option. This launches a separate window titled Create a New Form with the injury form loaded. As you can see, the form is auto-populated with various user information like the employee's name, ID, job title, and other general information. This data is based on the logged-in user's profile. The form uses a variety of Unity Forms features, including checkboxes, date fields, open text fields, and some more that we'll look at shortly. The form is also dynamic, meaning its fields change depending on the needs of the user. For this form, there are three different types of reports: injury or accident, illness, or a near miss. Selecting one of these will update the form accordingly. In this demo, we'll be reporting an injury, so I'll select that checkbox. When I do, you'll notice that the form does change. If I scroll down, you can see areas to explain what happened, enter costs like medical exams or medications, and even an interactive image, allowing the user to better show where the injury occurred on the body. If I change the report to a near miss, you'll notice that the fields are updated so that the interactive image of the human body is no longer present. Now, we do want to report an injury, so I'll reselect that checkbox. I've also informed my supervisor already, so I'll check the box Yes under that question. Next is the Date of Incident field. The incident in question happened on Monday, so I'll select Monday, May 21st from the interactive calendar pop-up. You'll notice that it already has hard-coded today's date for the date of report, and it automatically calculates the number of days to report incident by comparing the date of the incident and the date of report. If I scroll down and try to submit the form now, some validation is done to ensure the appropriate fields are completed. Since I left out information, I receive a pop-up telling me some fields are invalid and I am unable to submit the form in this state. If I click OK and scroll up, I'll see that it has highlighted the required fields that are not filled out correctly, like the step-by-step description. For good measure, I'll fill out as much information as possible. I'll also add my medical expenses, like the MRI and X-rays I got from the box falling on my head and back. I can enter a description as well as a cost. You'll notice that the estimated cost of injury box automatically populates with the total from the various expenses that I add. Next, I'll go down to the injury description area and select the drawing pencil. I will also change the color and thickness to make it easier to see. I'll mark the back of my head as well as my upper back and shoulder area. If needed, I could also add text for more information, erase my marks, or reset the form as needed. Scrolling down reveals the documentation and signature fields. Selecting the employee signature field will allow me to sign the form. This also works on touchscreen devices, allowing you to sign with your finger or a stylus. I can apply the signature, and it will automatically note the date. Finally, I can attach photos of the injury like pictures of bruised areas, X-rays, or other documentation depending on the situation. In this case, I'll upload a picture of my X-ray. Now I can submit the form and even create another one if needed. For our purposes, I am done, and I can close out of OnBase. Before we end our demonstration, let's see what it's like to be a supervisor in this scenario. To perform these actions, I'll launch the OnBase Unity client and log in as a supervisor user. After logging in, I'll select the Retrieval button from the top ribbon. Now in this scenario, we're working with an on-the-job injury, which is a human resources issue. So I'll select Human Resources from the document type list and select the Injury Form document. Then I'll enter some basic search information like the employee's name, Cindy Smith, and perform the search. Since this is only a demo, a single document is returned here, and I can select it and open the form as a supervisor. You'll see that I have my own Supervisor tab, but can also view everything the employee filled out. I'll review all of that information before switching over to my Supervisor tab. Once on my tab, I will enter relevant information as needed, like my own understanding of the incident, as well as recommendations for how to avoid this type of incident in the future. I'll then sign my name and submit the form. With the form submitted, I can close out of OnBase, completing the task at hand.